Hi guys, Sam here from New Hampshire Aviation. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Scandinavian Airlines a340. So, if my voice sounds a little weird, I just recovered from a cold, so that could be it. Okay, so let's get into this. So, Scandinavian Airlines just retired their A340s, I think 2 or 3 weeks ago. Which, that stinks a little bit. It would be nice to see an SAS a350, because those are pretty cool. But anyways, let's take a look at the box. So in the background there, you got SAS and some clouds. There's a picture of the plane. It has orange engines. On the back, there's a picture of the plane with some vehicles. This also comes in a playset, and I think you can get it from Amazon UK. I'm not sure though. Okay, so let's open this. So this is my second A340 after the Air Canada. I just learned that there are a bunch more A340s which I did not know about. Okay, so in the box there's the plane, and there's also a stand. Let's put the box in the background. Okay, so here's the plane. Just cut her out. Okay, so this is pretty nice. It's painted. 4 engines, nice and orange with white wings. There is a view of the cockpit. I'll just compare it to my Air Canada A340. Let's put that back there for now. There is a view of the tail. It says SAS. Then there is a bunch of flags. I think Sweden, Denmark, and I'm not sure what the other country SAS serves, but there's a top view. This is nice. It's nice and painted. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 doors, and there's a code on the back that says SE-REA. I'm not sure what that means. That's interesting. Okay, so this comes with a stand. For these stands, they're in most of the European models. You just take it, quickly put it in there, and then on the back there is a hole right in there, and you just take the plane, stick the little peg in the hole. I need to push it in a little bit, and then there. These stands are really nice. I wish they would include them in the American models, but for the American models they don't put anywhere to put a peg in. See this right here, this chassis is just flat, versus here is an Iberia A350 where there's a little peg on the chassis. I don't think any of the 787s have the hole for the stand, but they might, I'm not sure. So this plane is really nice. I just learned that there are a bunch more A350s I didn't know about, or A340s, sorry. There's a Turkish Airlines A340, super rare, and there is an Alitalia A340, and a super rare Air Tahiti A340. That would be really cool, but that one's super rare. So this is a nice plane. Sadly, it's just been retired, which kind of stinks. But I highly recommend it. I think you can get it off Amazon UK, and it comes in a playset. I'm not sure. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.